on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and the day is finally here. I look crazy because I'm out in my trailer right now and painting and stuff, but yeah, we got the trailer back. So if you watched like my previous video, you guys know that I dropped off my trailer mid-December. It is now the first week of February. What'd we get done to it? 2 huge windows cut in the side of it. So that was a loud motorcycle. Kind of what we're doing with this trailer for 2025. As you guys know, I have a 24-foot enclosed trailer. That's what I was hauling my C10 in. I also was camping in it at some shows and stuff. So currently it's kind of empty, but I'll kind of just show you guys what we got real quick. This is the current setup on it. I am gonna go like paint all the walls black and everything. I am now going to vend out of this trailer. So I have 2 6-foot by 4-foot windows cut right here to vend, and then this entire back wall right here is now going to be grid walls. So I have little hooks up here and stuff that I'll be hanging all of these grid walls all the way across with mannequins and all that stuff, so that way people can look in this window, they can see all the merch in the back wall, and that'll be it. I am going to haul my C10 right here, so at shows I will pull this thing out. This will be empty. I'll sit in here and just kind of hang out. Merch on the back wall, and then this is just kind of all storage right here. I just have everything kind of thrown back here right now just because I'm trying to figure out where I want to put everything. So everything's just kind of tied down for the moment, but kind of just a mess of everything. We did put some shore power and stuff in there, chairs, just a bunch of random stuff, but we're in here working. We're getting everything done. So the only like crappy part of this is these windows only came in white. Yeah, my trailer's black. So what we're doing is painting everything. Nothing fancy. Like I'm literally just taking Rust-Oleum gloss black paint and I'm painting the whole outside of the windows, the frame and the window itself. The inside, I'm honestly probably just gonna leave it white. I'll cover it with like stickers and stupid stuff anyways. But I'm excited for it. Now I can hang out in here at shows, not be stuck in the rain, the wind, all that stuff. I'll attach like some grid walls to the outside of my trailer to put some stuff on. I can sit in here in the nice air conditioning in the hot sun. So I hated that last year. I skipped a lot of summer shows because it would be 100 degrees outside. I'd have no AC and I'd be sitting out there for 12 or 14 hours in a booth, pretty much like hating my life. So what I ended up doing was I have a generator. I've got shore power hookups and stuff also, but I do have a generator and it's not hooked up or anything yet, but I do have an AC unit over there. So we'll hook up the AC in here. I'm gonna run all kinds of crazy colored lights and stuff up here on the roof, and I'm gonna get some speakers and stuff mounted in here. So that way, at least at shows now, I can be in here morning, day, night, be in the AC. I can hook a little heater up here. In the winter, if we do any winter shows, I can have all kinds of cool lights and stuff going at night. I can put some lights on the outside, have some music and stuff going, so it'll be a way better experience. So just to kind of give you guys an idea of like what the outside looks like now, excuse the mess, but we're just going through getting everything painted and stuff right now. I got the windows up because I just put a whole coat of paint on the top, so I'm letting them dry. But yeah, this is what it's gonna look like right here. So I've got this whole side, that's what we'll vend out of. I did put shore power hookups right down there, so when we camp I can just hook up a generator and all that good stuff. I do still have my escape door here on the side for when I load my truck and everything. And yeah, that's pretty much it for it. The thing now that I'm gonna have to do is probably like throw logos, all that stuff on there. I'm gonna have to put logos here on the side of the truck, because what we were doing before is I had a 10x10 tent set up. I had like branded tables, 3 8-foot tables, like it said Rollin' Reckless all over the place, like people knew who we were. Now I have a black trailer with nothing on it. So as soon as I get these painted, I'll probably go out tomorrow, tape measure everything up, and I'm gonna have to go online and order like big Rollin' Reckless decal, all of our social media handles, all that stuff. I'm not gonna wrap the whole trailer, that's why I bought it black, so it would be easier and cheaper for me just to throw some big lime green decals up on there somewhere so people know who we are at shows. And I'll probably throw like my main 8-foot table right in front of these windows that has like my brand logo and stuff on it, just to put hats and everything. But yeah, that's it. You guys see my my shirt. We finally branded that. So Scoop Squad pet waste removal, we've been doing that on the side. That's actually like really lucrative. I'll make a whole separate video about that, but picking up dog poop is the easiest money in the world. It's the easiest like side hustle and all that stuff. So aside from like slinging t-shirts and stuff at truck shows, is where it's at right there. But I'm gonna finish getting this thing painted up. Once I get it all painted and everything in it, I'll go ahead and show you guys another video of like what the final setup and everything looks like for it. What I'll probably do is in 2 weeks we're going to Frostbite in Virginia, which will be like the first official show of 2025 for us. So once I get there, everything will be all painted. I probably won't have logos on it or anything yet, but I'll at least have like the whole booth set up, merch, all that kind of good stuff. So I'll kind of give you guys a walk around of like what it looks like now at shows, which is actually going to be like really cool, because since it is a 24-foot trailer, now when I go to shows, I'll get a 30-foot booth space. I'll be able to put like 1 or 2 booth trucks in with my trailer out front. And so what I'm going to do is all of those t-shirt designs that I dropped for this year that have people's trucks on them, I'm going to take those people's actual trucks, put them in the booth, put up a grid wall next to each truck that has their shirts, banners, hoodies, all that stuff that has their truck on it, so people can see the merch with the truck on it, and then they can see the actual real truck that inspired the merch for it sitting right next to them. So I think that's going to be really cool. No one really ever does that, so that'll be something different. But I'm gonna go throw some more coats on there. I appreciate you guys watching. Definitely stay tuned for the next video, and I'll show you guys like next step for the trailer after everything gets painted. And then I am going to paint the inside and everything for it. So I'll make this like a whole series of kind of renovating this trailer, not doing it anything fancy, not taking it to any shops or anything like that. I'm literally just going to do this stuff myself. Is it going to be the best? No. But will it serve its purpose? Yes. I'll camp in it, I'll haul my seat in it, and I'll vend out of it. Maybe the paint jobs and stuff won't be the best on the inside or whatever, but I don't care, because it's not going to cost me anything to do it except buying a bucket of paint. So yeah, say what you will about it, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna go finish painting. I appreciate it. Also, thank you guys for 10,000 subscribers. I appreciate it. It jumped up pretty quick from like 7,000 or whatever over the last week, so super cool for that. Trying to get the watch hours up. 10,000, we have reached it. Next goal is to get 20,000 on this channel, so please share this channel. Watch my videos if you guys like trucks or going to shows or anything like that. Drop some comments below if you guys have anything that you guys did to your trailers that might work for me, or some cool ideas and stuff like that. So appreciate you guys who watching.